5 tips. Divorce and social media etiquette. Managing the emotional and legal complexities of divorce can be overwhelming, especially with the added pressure of handling social media. In today's digital age, what you post online can significantly impact both your divorce proceedings and personal life. To assist you during this sensitive period, we've compiled 5 essential tips to help you effectively manage your online presence. These tips are designed to maintain your privacy, safeguard your emotional well-being, and prevent your social media activities from adversely affecting your divorce proceedings or personal relationships. At McConnell Family Law Group, our dedicated Greenwich divorce lawyers are here to provide you with skilled guidance and support. We understand the unique challenges that social media can pose during a divorce, and we are committed to helping you manage these complexities with confidence. Contact us today at 203-541-5520 to schedule a consultation and learn how we can assist you in protecting your interests and achieving a favorable outcome. Why you need to follow proper etiquette. In more and more cases, social media posts are being used as admissible evidence against a spouse during divorce litigation. They are sometimes used to prove infidelity, which can, in turn, be used to impact alimony awards. Some states, like Connecticut, will give greater alimony payments to innocent spouses, while others will not give any alimony to a cheating spouse if that's what caused the divorce. Prenuptial agreements can also be affected. Many include a clause that eliminates alimony in the event of infidelity, and greater payments can be given to a spouse that has been cheated on. Social media can also be used for other reasons such as custody or asset battles. If you have photos or videos of yourself smoking, drinking, or doing drugs around your children, your spouse can use that as evidence that you're an unfit parent. They can also use photos or videos of the children engaging in risky behaviors to show that your children aren't safe with you. If your spouse feels that you are hiding assets and you post pictures of your latest vacation or shopping spree, that can come back to bite you as well. The main takeaway here should be that you should be cautious about posts on social media before, during, and after a divorce. Keep social media posts to a minimum in the process. 5 tips for social media etiquette during and after your divorce. Photo and video posts aren't the only concern during divorce proceedings. You want to keep things as civil as possible between you and your spouse to make the process easier. 1. Don't race to change your relationship status. You should remain quiet about the divorce on social media until you both decide on the best way to break the news. In all cases, avoid posting the lurid details of an affair or any financial issues that led to the split. The public doesn't need to know, and all it will do is drive another wedge between you and your spouse and complicate your proceedings. 2. Avoid vague booking and public rants. Posting negative statuses on your Facebook page is the most blatant example of this. You don't want to stoke the fire when there are legal issues at stake, and it will only serve to make your friends and family uncomfortable. The same goes for getting into arguments online. The anonymity of an online platform makes people more likely to say things they would never say in person. Posting when you're in a deeply emotional place is inadvisable. Keeping your feelings out of the public eye will help you turn to the next chapter of your life more easily. 3. Unfriend or unfollow your in-laws. When you divorce your spouse, you're also divorcing their family and friends. Once you finalize your divorce, it's best to let go of any extraneous relationships on social media. Have a discussion with your spouse about whether you want to remain friends with them on these platforms. It can be necessary to stay connected if you're raising kids together, but if animosity exists between you, you might want to unfriend them as well. 4. Don't spy or stalk your ex. After the end of a difficult breakup, it can be tempting to stalk your ex's social media accounts. Making yourself crazy over every new friend they add or seeking out evidence of new relationships will only hurt you emotionally. The healthiest way to move on is to focus on yourself with a view toward moving on to a new chapter in your life, one that is peaceful and fulfilling. Life is short. 5. Change your social media passwords. When going through a divorce, one of the critical things you should do is to update your social media passwords. Couples often share passwords for convenience during a marriage, but this practice becomes risky once divorce proceedings begin. Divorce can create conflicting interests, and your social media accounts may hold a lot of personal and sensitive information. By changing your passwords, You ensure that only you have access to your accounts. This prevents your ex-spouse from accessing your private messages, photos, and other sensitive information. It also helps you maintain control over your online presence. Imagine the damage that could be done if an angry ex-spouse were to post on your behalf or delete important content. Remember to update passwords for any shared accounts or platforms where your ex-spouse might still have access, including email, online banking, and other services. Regularly check and update your security settings to keep your information protected throughout the divorce. Taking these steps will help you maintain your privacy and security, allowing you to get through this challenging period with greater peace of mind. Protecting your digital presence is an essential part of managing the changes in your life and moving forward securely. Divorce is challenging, but it can be managed more smoothly with legal professional support. At McConnell Family Law Group, our experienced Greenwich divorce lawyers understand the complexities involved and are committed to providing you with compassionate and effective representation every step of the way. Let us help you manage this difficult time with dignity and confidence. Contact us today at 203-541-5520 to explore your options and start your journey toward resolution. Find peace through strength.